morning. So today is Friday, 7:38 a.m. So nakabihis na ako because we have morning yoga today. Tapos magka-cafe kami ni Gra after the yoga. So first yoga sesh namin to sa morning. Tapos partner yoga pa siya. So very excited. Binawait ko lang muna si Gra mag-chat. So yeah, see you in the car. After all, what do we have? So you gotta do. So, dito na ako sa meeting place sa Vinica and I'm just waiting for her. I'm picking her up here. Actually, I think we're gonna be late. 7:59. Dito na siya, guys. Say hi. Finally. Malilate na kami.
We're here and we're late.
Sorry, do.
Just finished, partner yoga.
Yes. And it's 9:30.
And it's so fun.
And my glasses, guys.
Our
Punta kami ng EO kasi nagkabingi siya dahil kay Gra. Gra is gonna pay for it. Dapat na kami. Mag-bus na.
sobrang layo ng cafe na to talaga, guys.
Bawal ka.
Bulaga.
Slice of lemon.
Apo. Hot na lang po.
Ano sa
Doon order. Wait naman namin yung order. Food is here. Dito na yung food namin, guys. We're gonna eat. Nag-take ko kami ng pictures and
We're gonna go home.
sure lang kami. Yeah.